I'm going to try to make all of this shorter. So it raises it, because I hook this onto my belt. Pouch goes in my back pocket at the moment. So the shorter I can make all of this, get rid of this ring, maybe, the higher it will ride in my pocket and less under my butt when I sit down. Easier to pull out also, now that I added this fobby thing. It's fabulous. Grab that, pull it out of my pocket, and it helps me to hook it onto the belt. I'm gonna be going for something like this. Bend these two deals in towards each other, and then maybe wrap it with electrical tape. Help it to not wear out this fabric. My pouch has gained a lot of weight. I weighed it the other day for a guy asking about it or talking about it or something. I was up to 14.6 ounces. It doesn't feel all that heavy hooked to my belt and in my back pocket, but it is kind of big and heavy.
Yeah, this is tricky. Tricky for me to do on camera. Gerber Diesel coming in for the assist. Might have to do some hammering or something. Really close to, my face is really close to the camera, my phone. So hopefully I'm not Darth Vader breathing. Might have to do some hammering also, maybe. Oops. Almost there. Okay, this might sort of be what I'm going for. If I can get this threaded through here, worked around. I might not video this trickiness. Get this threaded here, through here and on here like a key ring. And then move it up to here so I can work on this area. Clip, clip, smash together good and wrap some black tape around it to help not wear this out, maybe. And then it should be like that much smaller, half maybe. Any little bit will help, I think. Alright, it's a little better, a little closer. Just for test purposes. I haven't needed to cut any wire or anything, but I don't know if this is I don't think this is the same evil coat hanger that I was trying to cut before, but oh man, I'm not doing it. Oh, there it goes. Alright, good job, goat. Do it one more just for fun. Maybe. I gotta be in the right spot, I think, yep. So I could revisit this grind, get it some more, and I think that'll help. Okay, I've got that on there. Now if I can tape this and then turn it around so the pointier end is up, then I will hook this hook to it. Not a goat, not a groover. Let's try right here, maybe. I can power through it. Might have to drum it. I pried this part a little bit more with my goat pry tool. See if I can muster the power. Alright. I don't know if I got that on camera. This shit's hard to cut. Jeez. Alright, let me try to fine tune this off. Alright, close. Clean these sharps. I'm already kind of abused the strap here. This is a cheap no-name pouch. Might be overloading, overweighing it. The strap could give out. I beat it with my hammer. The hook, not my pouch. And then I did some twisting to finish lining them up. Alright, where am I at here? Somebody moved things on me. Let's go with this little piece. I can do it without chopping my finger off. Scrap blade. Hey. This might be okay. It's almost professional. If you don't look in there. And if you ignore where I frayed my edges already on the little loop. Alright, so when this ring, the key ring's on here, it kind of pulls the edges of the strap upwards. So, kind of thereabouts. I mean, that's not much, but I think every little bit will help. Okay, I think I done did it. I'm still gonna cut these flaps off, melt the ends. But this will go up towards my body. This is out away from my body. And this little hook hooks onto my belt. And this thing will help me get it on and off of my belt. Alright, I think you can see my pocket. First test run. In the pocket. Grab the fob. Hook it on my belt. I'd like it to be sticking up a little higher, but I can find my fob. Pull it right out. Fob, hook, belt. butt. Oh, man, I need a ring on my zipper. Do that here in a minute. Wrong angle for the light, but I'm sitting down right now. Okay. I would like to thank Miss Anderson, my 8th grade home ec teacher. The only A I ever got. I got an A minus in 8th grade home ec. It ain't pretty, but it's sturdy. And I took quite a bit of length out of what this would be too. So I'm pretty happy with it at the moment. There should be the last shot of this. Put it in my pocket, grab the fob, hook it on the belt. I don't know that it looks much higher after all that, but grab the fob, pull it out.